Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's 1:30 p.m. and today is 26th of February 2018. So how are you guys? Before I proceed today, I have an announcement. Now, starting from 17th, I have my last live webinar, right? So we have the last live webinar for positional trading. I mean, after that, there won't be any live webinar, because this is going to be, it's a combo pack which starts from 17th February. But after that, we have this, which is intraday. After intraday, just after a week, we have another positional trade like this, which is with Stock Pro special setups. That will be my last live webinar. So guys, if you want to learn after that, I want to spend time on doing my research. Ever since, I've been making my videos and doing everything, my research has taken a backseat. And, anybody, like anyone else, I also need to sharpen my skills. I will be continue making my YouTube videos, but I will not be teaching anymore. And I feel, take this opportunity if you want to learn. And after that, I'm just stopping. I will not continue teaching, because I feel, it's now time for me to sharpen my own skills. So which I'm doing continuously. I'm doing research on a continuous basis. I'm doing research and continuously I'm giving you good trades. But there are many other things that I haven't planned. I have a load of plans for you guys. So let me concentrate on that. And with that in mind, I will be discontinuing my live webinars. All right. So it's an opportunity for you to join the last webinar, which starts, for you guys, it'll start from 3rd of March and it'll continue till about 24th of March, about 21 days, which will take care of everything that we have. It's going to be a combo pack only, right? Where we will be teaching you live intraday trading. We'll be teaching you the Stock Pro setups. We'll be teaching you everything that we do in Stock Pro to give you wonderful trades. All right. So this is a very, very serious, announcement that I'm making today. So please, guys, last opportunity. If you want to avail, fine. Otherwise, I'm sure you'll find many more good teachers in the market and learn from them. My suggestion will still remain to you that please learn. Without learning, please don't jump into the market. All right. So please, if you are interested, go to my webinar, go to my website, talk to my team, and they will help you out. They will help you out in selecting a course or what you want to do and how you want to do. They will help you out. So now let me talk about Nifty and let me talk about what I did today. Today the day start. Now see here, Nifty is crossing its barrier with volume, right? Definitely a good opportunity to enter, in Nifty for a very short duration. If you want to buy it, and I'm sure good amount of profits are lying ahead. So see, I have only two open positions. One of them is VEDL, the other is Yes Bank. Yes Bank I have just entered, and I do plan to exit it very fast, right? So I have to tell you my story today. So on Friday, what happened, I had the open position of Nifty puts, right? Nifty open gap up, and I had a massive loss of 44,700 rupees. Can you see, guys? Right? In the morning itself. But I was pretty resolute that I have to overcome these losses. Not only that, I have to have a green portfolio no matter what. Because I had to make YouTube video, I have to show my members how you can transform your negative situation into a positive one. So I did a lot of trading today. I traded in 𝐒𝐻𝐿. Let me show you one after the other the graphs. So first one is 𝐒𝐻𝐿. This is how 𝐒𝐻𝐿 looks. Look at it. So 𝐒𝐻𝐿 is this. This is the beautiful run up 𝐒𝐻𝐿 gave, right? And the next trade that I had was, I had Motherson Sumi. Motherson Sumi. So let me show you how Motherson Sumi did. That also had a beautiful breakout. Again, it's about to head in the upward direction. Then the next trade that I did was the jackpot of today, IDBI. IDBI was the jackpot. Its lot size is 10,000, and see the run up that it has taken. Then the next trade that I had on my radar, but I missed it, and I'm feeling so miserable about it, is the RCOM. RCOM trade I missed. I could not do it, although I have identified it. Then the other trade that I did was in Hindalco. This right moment, I mean, I exited somewhere here. The first moment this red candle started forming, I exited. Then I traded into Federal Bank, right? Federal Bank also gave me a very, very good profit. So this was the Federal Bank, when it broke its morning range here, that's when I entered and I enjoyed this profit. Then the other trade that I have done is VEDL, which is a little in loss right now, right? Which is why did I trade into it? Because it crossed its morning range with volume, and that is when I entered. I still feel it'll become positive, right? I'm 400 rupees negative, but I'm hoping that it'll become positive. Then the other trade that I have done is entry into Yes Bank, right? Where did I enter? I entered into Yes Bank when it crossed its morning range with volumes. Look at the beautiful trade. Now, where is my resistance? My resistance is right here at 328. Suppose it crosses this barrier with volumes, then Yes Bank is going to give huge profit. At least mid of this, it will definitely go. Another 2 or 3 points from here, it will definitely go, right? So guys, now see here, the loss which was so huge in the morning, I've converted this into a positive profit, right? 19,000 rupees profit plus 44. That makes it 19 plus, if I make it 20, then it makes me 64 and one less, 63,000 rupees profit. I covered this and I have this much profit, right? This is how my trades have been today, right? So now, this is what I want to do every day for you. I want to show you every day what kind of trades I do, how I generate profit, and how can you also learn and have huge profits in your account. All right. So these were all my intraday trades. Nowadays, I'm concentrating on intraday. Why? Because I don't want to carry forward any position. I don't want to carry forward any position. Why? Because you don't know what may lie ahead. Now, look at the Nifty. Nifty has just been trying to cross the barrier at the top. And right now, with little volumes, it has tried to cross. But I still feel until the next candle is formed above this pivot point, I wouldn't say that Nifty has become positive. I will still not believe that the Nifty has become positive. So let's wait and watch. But let's look into its option chain. Let's see. See, little while ago, it was 1,72,000 contracts, which have been written afresh at 10,600 level. Right, that was its barrier, and the and the bottom, if you look at it, was at 10,500. Now let me refresh and see what's happening. If I refresh what's happening here, the barrier still is 10,600, and the bottom is also, the barrier has reduced, like this. There have been call unwinding happening at this level, right? So what I can assume from here, Nifty does definitely have a positive stance. Nifty definitely plans to go up. How many points? Don't know. We don't know how many points, but definitely Nifty plans to head up, right? And so I'm sure all the trades that are in the right direction will give you good profits. So guys, HEG is again, giving us pain, so I'm not exiting my position. Why? Because it's not going below its support. If it is not going below its support, then I'm not exiting it, right? That is my rule. I'm still holding it, right? So some of the trades that I have given, like CUB and SKF India, they're not really moving up, but I'm hopeful within few days, a day or two or more, it has to move. Like MT Edicare, I don't know where I have given, but this has given a good momentum today. So we will, I'm going to keep all my positional trades for another 2 days or 3 days. After that, I would like to exit and stand out of the market. I would like to stand out. See, my holdings are in loss. 4,000 rupees loss is there. HEG, IB Real Estate, SKF India, and COB. These are the two major loss making, HEG and IB Real Estate. But I believe IB Real Estate will be fine, and HEG is also going to be fine. It is trying to hold itself, right? So before you analyze your trade, you should never enter into them. So I have put a sell order for VEDL. Hopefully it should be fine. Like VEDL is trying to recover from the lower, like it had a bit of profit booking coming in. Now it has come, it is coming up. If it crosses this barrier, then it should go up. Let me modify my order. Let me just modify my order. I will make it 146 at least. Because if this momentum comes, it will hugely take it up. I believe so, right? Like, look into it, how Yes Bank has moved up, and it's looking very good to me for even positional. Even for positional, it's looking very good to me. See the beautiful trade, beautiful trade. See the huge profit that it is giving me, right? So, guys, this was my loss. Huge loss, huge loss. And I have converted all that into huge profit, right? But learned also a lot. One has to be very careful. One has to be very careful, when and exit Saturday, Sunday. I don't know how my order was rejected. I didn't realize it. And I only realized when the market opened today. I realized, oh, this has not been cleared. And thank God. And then and there I resolved that I have to create this loss into profit. I I mean, I feel very responsible about my trades, and that's where my research began, and that's how I did so many of them. So many of trades I did today. And now Nifty looks very solidly positive to me. Very solidly positive to me. Nifty is heading up. If Nifty goes up, all the trades that we have done will also be in the positive direction. That's what I believe. That's what I perceive. And that's what I trust in, right? So, guys, once again, let me reiterate that I'm going to be doing my last live webinar, which will start from 3rd of March and end up on 24th of March. If you want to learn and if you want to understand market, please join, right? The last opportunity. Otherwise, I don't know what I want to trade only, purely trade, and let's see how it goes. As of now, I have kind of made up my mind because a little my health is not supporting. I want to take care of my health, and also I want to polish my skills. And you can see, the trades which I do intraday are also hugely profitable, hugely profitable. If I make it consistent, about 20,000, 30,000 every day, then it's as good, right? So my only idea to start the channel was to teach, which I'll continue doing through my, this free YouTube channel. But as far as my teaching is concerned, in paid webinars, I will be just stopping there. Live webinars will not be there. So hoping to see you all, the last webinar with me, so that, and as I promised, that whatever is your investment, you will be able to recover that. You will be able to recover that within 2.5 months, right? Even if you are a working person, please remember, our positional trades can be analyzed a day before or 2 days before, and you can set alerts and you can use them as and when you get an alert, you can create your position. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Market gives you opportunity in various possible ways. Market gives you opportunity in various possible ways. The only thing is take that first step. Take that first step and learn about the market. Learn about the market, then only then only trade in the market. Mostly people are ready to pay, ready to, do everything and not, learn. They feel learning can be easily, done through the free YouTube video. I can tell you one thing: if something is, you know very very special, or something where people have spent their life in finding out a technique, they will not give you free, right? You will get some cheap stuff on free but not definitely people's lifetime learning, right? So for that, I think it's good also to pay and learn, right? Why? Because I wouldn't like to learn anything which is freely available. Of course I'll learn for a while, but if something I can fine tune and do better way by paying, I would rather go for that. So with this, I'm signing off, and let me just conclude Nifty how it looks like to me. Nifty has crossed in futures 10,600 mark, right? And it looks very, very rock solid right now. So let's see, where will it go? Where has it been in the past? So in the past, the first barrier that it gets is at 10,000, this place, 635, right, in futures. Then 10,650. These are its two big milestones. Nifty has to cross them with volumes. And if Nifty crosses them with volumes, then definitely Nifty will head up. Then definitely Nifty will head up. That's what I perceive and that's what I believe, right? With this, I'm signing off, but be the master of your trades. Don't take tip from anybody. Use your brain, use your understanding in the market, and trade wisely. Your money, nobody can protect. Nobody would have cared about it had I lost this amount in the market, right? It's only because I'm bothered about my money. I resolved in the morning that I have to generate profitable trades by the end of the day. And that is how I could do it. Nobody will take responsibility of your money. So be the master of your trades. Be the master of your trades, right? That's what my suggestion to you will be. Good day, guys. Take care of your health and take care of yourself, but trade with your own volition, not by somebody's tip. That is what my suggestion to you will be. Good day. See you tomorrow.